I've got my copy of Home Designer Pro 2019 open and the library browser open. I'm going to type into the search window drain, see what comes up. Okay, there's lots of choices here. But why do I have choices and you don't? And you don't? Let's take a look. I'm going to click on this, drain here, and right click. Show in browser, left click. And this is part of the Kohler plumbing library. It doesn't come with the core contents up here. I've downloaded a lot of stuff in the manufacturer category, of which part of it's Kohler. There's bonus libraries. Where does this stuff come from? You go over here to library and get additional content online. So you're right there, left click. It opens your browser and takes you to the Home Designer website for all these libraries. And we'll type in Kohler and click on search. And there it is, and it's free. So you can download it and install it in Home Designer Pro. Now let me kill that, go back to the main page. Some of these you'll see are marked SSA, and those are for Chief Architect Premier only. But the free ones, like Kohler, are, can be downloaded and installed in Home Designer Pro 2019. You click on it, you can see which versions it's good for. This is like 2019, Home Designer Pro 2018, Home Designer Pro 2017. So if you have any of those titles, you can download that. Now this one that's marked SSA is for Chief Architect Premier only. So don't waste your time trying to download that. You might be able to contact sales and buy the thing for Pro. I don't know. You can contact Home Designer sales and ask them that question. But there's lots of free stuff here that you can download. And let's see. All right, like this one here, countertop edge profiles. That one's free for all of these versions. And let's go to doors and windows. Okay, here's one that you can download for Home Designer Pro. And another one, NanaWall, Simpson Door Company. Lots of stuff here. Not everything, but lots of things. And most of them are free. Vehicles, let's see. Yeah, this works in Home Designer Pro, Home Designer Pro. If it says free, and you've got one of these versions here, I'm clicking on it to get the drop down. All the way back to 2012. On these, of course, I don't know how often you're going to need a helicopter or a boat, but there they are if you do need them. And so check this out and spend some time, download them and install them and have some fun. That's the reason I have more stuff than you do, because I've taken the time to download the manufacturer and bonus libraries. So I hope this helps you and others, and have a good day.